வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு 7. இந்த மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு 600 MCQ வீடியோஸ் பார்ட் 11லேருந்து பார்ட் 30 வரைக்கும் உள்ளதில் ஒரு 100 MCQ செலக்ட் பண்ணி டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இந்த டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி மினிமம் 1 hour உங்களுக்கு டைம் இருக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு வேண்டிய பென் பேப்பர் தயாராக எடுத்து வச்சுக்கோங்க. டெஸ்ட்டு அட்டன் பண்ணும்போது ஆன்சர் எழுதும்போது கொஸ்டின் நம்பரையும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரையும் மட்டும் எழுதினா போதும். இந்த வீடியோவில் கடைசி பார்ட்டில் ஆன்சர் போட்டிருக்கோம். அதை வச்சு நீங்களே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, டெஸ்ட்டுக்குள்ளே போவோம் வாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், when central government directs to change the name of the company must change its name within a period of A 3 months, B 6 months, C 1 month, D 15 days. Second one, the reason behind the purchase from particular seller is A. Product buying motives, B. Patronage buying motives, C. Economic buying motives, D. Social buying motives. Third one, which of the following is not a characteristics of a public company? A. Separate legal entity, B. Unlimited liability, C. Perpetual succession, D. Common seal. Fourth one, tax is chargeable to a person who is a doctor under the head A. Salary, B. Business, C. Profession, D. Services. Fifth one, closing stock in costing books is valued at A. Cost of production, B. Cost or market price, whichever is lower, C. Selling price, D. Factory cost of the goods produced. Sixth one, a fire in factory delaying production for 3 weeks is known as A. Secular trend, B. Seasonal variations, C. Cyclical variations, D. Irregular variations. 7. Consumer Protection Act Section 9 provides for the establishment of a 3-tier consumer dispute redressal system, namely A. Local forum, state commission and national commission, B. District forum, regional commission and national commission, C. District Forum, State Commission and National Commission. D. District Forum, State Commission and Central Commission. Eighth one. Profit volume ratio establishes the relationship between A. Contribution and sales value, B. Contribution and profit, C. Fixed cost and contribution, D. Profit and loss. Ninth one. What is the major issue in privatization in India? A. Opposition comes from public sector employees. B. It leads to concentration of economic power in a few hands. C. Aim of social justice would be defeated. D. All of these. 10th one. A useful teaching learning method for slow learners is dash. A. Lecture, B. Self-learning, C. Memorizing, D. Group learning. 11th one. Notice of any resolution passed at a creditors meeting shall be given by the company to the registrar within A. 10 days of the passing thereof, B. 7 days of the passing thereof, C. 30 days of the passing thereof, D. 15 days of the passing thereof. 12th one. Which one of the following is an intangible asset? A. Furniture, B. Patent right, C. Loose tools, D. Investment in shares. 13. Which of the following is not a current liability? A. Creditors, B. Loan installment payable in current year, C. Temporary bank loan, D. Arrears of preference dividend. 14. If the articles conflict with the memorandum, A. The article shall prevail, B. The memorandum shall prevail, C. The directors will resolve the conflict, D. The court will resolve the conflict. 15. Material losses may be normal or dash. A. Scrap, B. Abnormal, C. Spoilage, D. Defective. 16. The degree of completion of the work is determined by comparing the work certified with A. Work in progress. B. Contract price. C. Work uncertified. D. Work certified. 17. The major function performed by an entrepreneur can be clubbed as dash. A. Risk bearing, organizing, innovation. B. Risk bearing, marketing, checking. C. Innovation, personal selling, organizing. D. Risk bearing, supervising, verifying. 18. What is the accepted standard for current ratio? A. 2:1. B. 1:2. C. 2:3. D. 1:3. 19. One of the main objectives of educational technology is dash. A. Individualizing instruction. B. Direct means of communication. C. Techniques to improve the infrastructure. D. Choosing from alternate media. (20) Gross works cost stands for dash. A. Works cost as adjusted by stock of work in progress. B. Works cost before adjusting cost of work in progress. C. Works cost before adjusting stock of finished goods. D. All of these. 21. The scheme of SDR accepted by IMF and World Bank came into force in the year dash. A. 1960. B. 1970. C. 1980. D. 1990. 22nd. Net profit earned plus non-working capital expenses is equal to A. Fund provided by operation. B. Use of funds. C. Sinking fund. D. Source of fund. 23rd. The highest policy making body of the Asian Development Bank is dash. A. Board of Directors. B. Board of Governors. C. Board of Members. D. Board of Advisors. 24. In order to perform any task effectively and successfully, a person, that is entrepreneur, needs to possess of a set of dash: A. Knowledge, B. Skills, C. Motive, D. All of these. "25. When a company is wound up, out of the unsecured creditors, some have to paid under the law before others, who are called dash: A. Preferential creditors, B. Secured creditors, C. Sundry creditors, D. Bank overdraft. 26. The first meeting of the shareholders of a public limited company is: A. Class meetings of the shareholders, B. Statutory meeting, C. Annual general meeting, D. Extraordinary general meeting. 27. Which one of the following is not a part of memorandum? A. Alteration clause, B. Object clause, C. Name clause, D. Capital clause. 28. IMF created a special type of money to add to the reserve asset is dash: A. Special drawing right, B. Special deposit right, C. Special drawing reserve, D. Special disposal reserve. 29. Cost volume profit CVP analysis is an important profit planning tool and provides information about the: A. Behavior of cost in relation to volume, B. Sensitivity of profit due to variation of output, C. Amount of profit for a projected sales, D. Amount of sales for a projected sales. 30. As per AS 14, purchase consideration is what is payable to dash: A. Shareholders, B. Shareholders and debenture holders, C. Shareholders and creditors, D. Debenture holders and creditors. 31. Which one of the following salesman is not to contact consumers directly? A. Missionary salesman. B. Service salesman. C. Specialty salesman. D. Retailer's salesman. 32. Income from subletting of house property is A. House property income. B. Business income. C. Casual income. D. Income from other sources. 33. Excess working capital may result in A. Liberal credit policy. B. Defective credit policy. C. Bad debts. D. All of these. 34. The terms of trade is the name given to dash. A. Unilateral trade agreement between countries. B. The excess of imports over exports. C. The relationship between price of import and price of exports. D. Bilateral agreement. 35. Wage sheet is prepared by dash. A. Timekeeping department. B. Personnel department. C. Payroll department. D. Cost accounting department. 36. Which of the following denotes a combination of various elements of marketing? A. Promotional mix. B. Product mix. C. Marketing mix. D. Distribution mix. 37. District Industries Centers program was initiated with the objective of developing small, tiny and cottage sector industries in the year dash. A. May 1988. B. May 1978. C. May 1968. D. May 1948. 38. The present Secretary General of the United Nations Organization is A. Ban Ki-moon, B. Antonio Guterres, C. Kofi Annan, D. Ashraf Ghani. 39. Secondary data is dash. A. Should never be used. B. Should be used after careful scrutiny. C. No scrutiny is required while using. D. None of these. 40. Which one of the following details the procedure for forfeiture and reissue of shares? A. Statement in lieu of prospectus. B. Prospectus. C. Memorandum of Association. D. Articles of Association. 41. The lessor bears the risk of obsolescence and incidental risk is called A. Financial lease, B. Operating lease, C. Cross-border lease, D. Conveyance type lease. 42. A set of segments sharing some exploitable similarity is called A. Super segment, B. Product segment, C. Full market segment, D. Single segment. 43. Factoring means dash. A. Financing against bills receivable. B. Financing invoices without recourse only. C. Purchasing and or administering the receivables of a concern. D. Collecting the receivables and remitting to the seller. 44. Qualification shares for a director are provided in the A. Companies Act, B. Memorandum of Association, C. Articles of Association, D. Contract between company and directors. 45. The liquidator of a company is entitled to a remuneration of 3% on the amount distributed to the unsecured creditors. Amount available for distribution to unsecured creditors before paying liquidators remuneration was 46,350. The liquidators remuneration will be dash. A rupees 1,350, B rupees 1,450, C rupees 1,250, D rupees 1,330. 46. The headquarters of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is located at A. Bangalore, B. Sriharikota, C. Ahmedabad, D. Thiruvananthapuram. 47. The data obtained by a study specifically designed to fulfill the data needs of the problem, which is original in nature, original in character, or dash. A. Journals, B. Secondary data, C. Reports, D. Primary data. '48. Section 224 of the Companies Act 1956 deals with A. Special audit, B. Cost audit, C. Powers of auditor, D. Appointment and remuneration of auditors. 49. Project appraisal in case of a proposed project is called A. Post ante analysis, B. Ex ante analysis, C. Break even analysis, D. Decision tree analysis. 50. Status acts as a barrier in A. Upward communication, B. Downward communication, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. 51. The excess of actual sales over break-even analysis, break-even sales is termed as A. Contribution, B. Margin of safety, C. Fixed cost, D. Variable cost. 52. Section 15 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 deals with the A. Bills of exchange, B. Promissory note. C. Check. D. Endorsement. '53. The East India Company of England got permission to trade in India during the period of dash. A. Shahjahan. B. Jahangir. C. Bahadur Shah. D. Aurangzeb. '54. The fundamental document of the company is a dash. A. The Articles of Association. B. The Register of Members. C. The List of Board of Directors. D. The Memorandum of Association. '55. At break-even point, total cost is equal to dash. A. Total sales. B. Fixed cost. C. Marginal cost. D. Standard cost. '56. Long-term solvency is indicated by A. Rate of return. B. Liquid ratio. C. Debt equity ratio. D. Capital gearing ratio. '57. A pipeline through which a product flows on its way to the consumer is dash. A. Middleman. B. Retailer. C. Channel. D. Distribution. '58. Resident buyer is known as dash. A. Retailer. B. Agent. C. Broker. D. Wholesaler. '59. A written plan containing the details regarding the conduct of a particular audit is called A. Audit program. B. Audit memorandum. C. Audit notebook. D. None of these. '60. When the auditor is asked to audit only the receipt side of the cash book, that audit is said to be dash. A. Periodical audit. B. Balance sheet audit. C. Partial audit. D. Continuous audit. 61. Which one of the following is most important for finding the long-term solvency of a firm? A. Debt equity ratio. B. Stock turnover ratio. C. Premium on investment. D. Fixed asset turnover ratio. (62) Interest-free or concessional loan is A. Taxable for all employees. B. Taxable for specified employees only. C. Exempted for all employees. D. All the above are not correct. 63. Life Insurance Corporation of India is A. Public corporation. B. Departmental undertaking. C. Government company. D. Private company. 64. The term fund in the fund flow statement refers to dash. A. Net working capital. B. Cash. C. Current asset. D. Current liabilities. 65. Project classification includes dash. A. Quantifiable and non-quantifiable projects. B. Sectoral project. C. Techno-economic projects. D. All of these. 66. Cash from operations is equal to A. Net profit plus increase in current asset. B. Net profit plus decrease in current asset. C. Net profit plus cash expenses plus decrease in current asset. D. Net profit after tax. 67. According to the convention of conservation, the stock in trade is valued at A. Market price. B. Cost price. C. Market price or cost price, whichever is lower. D. Market price or cost price, whichever is higher. 68. Theory of hierarchical of human needs is proposed by dash. A. Morgan. B. Murray. C. Atkinson. D. Abraham Maslow. 69. A government company is a company in which not less than 51% of the paid up share capital is held by dash. A. The central government. B. The state government. C. Partly by the central government and partly by the state government. D. All of the above. 70. Which one of the following is usually a long-term budget? A. Sales budget. B. Cash budget. C. Capital expenditure. D. Fixed budget. 71. Part of the issued capital taken up by the public is called A. Called up capital. B. Paid up capital. C. Nominal capital. D. Subscribed capital. 72. UTI set up in the year A. 1956. B. 1964. C. 1951. D. 1971. 73. The first state in India to implement Panchayat Raj system was A. Punjab. B. Rajasthan. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Gujarat. 74. Any loss on revaluation of asset at the time of internal reconstruction will be adjusted from dash. A. Share capital account. B. Capital reserve account. C. Capital reorganization account. D. Capital reduction account. 75. Internal auditor must send the report to dash. A. Shareholder. B. Management. C. Partners. D. Financial director or chief accountant. 76. A factory is manufacturing one uniform type of product. Which method of absorbing factory overheads would you suggest? A. Percentage of direct wages. B. Machine hour rate. C. Direct labor hour rate. D. Rate per unit of output. 77. The role of multinational corporation is related to the problem of dash. A. Unemployment. B. Exploitation. C. Brain drain. D. Direct foreign investment. 78. Standard deduction under section 24 is dash. A. 1/4 of net annual value. B. 1/5 of net annual value. C. 30% of net annual value. D. Rupees 10,000. 79. Consumer Protection Act. A. 1949. B. 1986. C. 1984. D. 1969. 80. Management audit is conducted by dash. A. Government auditor. B. Auditor appointed by the board of directors. C. Special auditor. D. Statutory auditor. 81. The organization mobilizes savings of small investors and channelizes them into corporate investment is called as A. LIC. B. ICICI. C. UTI. D. IFCI. 82. Which of the following is known as fictitious asset? A. Goodwill. B. Patent right. C. Copyright. D. Preliminary expenses. 83. Many problems in India are due to A. Poverty. B. Indifferent attitude towards environment. C. Overpopulation. D. Ignorance of people. 84. Job costing is called dash. A. Batch costing. B. Standard costing. C. Specific order costing. D. Unit costing. 85. Which one is correct method of absorption or allocation of overhead? A. Rate per unit of output method. B. Trial and error method. C. Reciprocal service method. D. All the above. 86. The International Monetary Fund is A. An institution designed to increase the international flow of long-term capital. B. An institution designed to ease the balance of payment problems among the countries of Europe. C. An institution that provides short-term loans to the central authorities trying to maintain fixed exchange rate. D. An organization for reducing the level of world tariffs by a process of bilateral bargaining. '87. Fabian entrepreneur are those entrepreneurs who dash. A. Introduce new goods, methods of production, new markets. B. Initiate techniques and technology innovated by others. C. Are characterized by very great caution and skepticism in experimenting any change. D. Refuse to adopt opportunities to make changes in production formulae. '88. The product cost determined in standard cost accounting system is a dash. A. Direct cost. B. Fixed cost. C. Joint cost. D. Expected cost. '89. Owner's equity stands for dash. A. Fixed asset minus fixed liability. B. Fixed assets minus current liability. C. Current assets minus fixed liability. D. Total assets minus total liabilities. '90. Personal factors influencing consumer decision making include dash. A. Lifestyle. B. Motivation. C. Perceptive. D. Learning. '91. In marketing, the delivery of standard of living concept is originated by A. Peter F. Drucker, B. F. F. Clerk, C. William J. Stanton, D. Paul Mazur. 92. In liquidation, contributories means A. Shareholders, B. Debenture holders, C. Creditors, D. Public. 93. Literature, painting, music, and other fine arts can be grouped under A. Reproductive imagination, B. Pragmatic imagination, C. Aesthetic imagination, D. Receptive imagination. 94. SIPCOT was set up in dash. A. 1974, B. 1972, C. 1971, D. 1975. 95. The committee that suggested a system of multi-purpose education at the secondary stage was dash. A. Ramamurthy Committee, B. Tarachand Committee, C. Hunter's Committee, D. Hartog Committee. 96. The type of process loss that will not affect the cost of inventory value is A. Seasonal loss, B. Abnormal loss, C. Normal loss, D. Standard loss. 97. Which of the following is not a type of lease? A. Financial lease, B. Operating lease, C. Leverage lease, D. Periodical lease. 98. Which of the following is not related to dimension of product conduct? A. Managerial dimension, B. Price dimension. C. Consumer dimension. D. Social dimension. '99. The Sainik schools are a system of schools in India conceived in 1961 by dash. A. A.K. Krishnamenon. B. J.K. Krishnamenon. C. S.K. Krishnamenon. D. V.K. Krishnamenon. 100. There are greater chances of fraud under the head dash. A. Cash sales. B. Credit sales. C. Wages paid. D. Loan borrowed. ஸோ இப்போ ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டு கையில் வச்சுருக்கீங்க. எல்லா இதுக்கும் ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பர் எழுதிட்டீங்க. இப்போ நான் ஆன்சரை படிக்கிறேன் ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினுக்கும், அதை கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே. 1A, 2B, 3B, 4C, 5B, 6D, 7C, 8A, 9D, 10C, 11A, 12B, 13D, 14A, 15B, 16B, 17A, 18A, 19A, 20B, 21B, 22A, 23B, 24D, 25A, 26B, 27A, 28A, 29A, 30A, 31B, 32D, 33A, 34C, 35C, 36C, 37B, 38B, 39B, 40D, 41B, 42A, 43B, 44C, 45A, 46A, 47D, 48D, 49B, 50A, 51B, 52D, 53B, 54D, 55A, 56C, 57C, 58B, 59A, 60C, 61A, 62A, 63A, 64A, 65D, 66B, 67C, 68D, 69D, 70C, 71D, 72B, 73B, 74D, 75B, 76D, 77D, 78C, 79B, 80B, 81C, 82D, 83C, 84C, 85A, 86C, 87C, 88A, 89D, 90A, 91D, 92A, 93C, 94C, 95B, 96B, 97D, 98D, 99D, 100A. இப்போது கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் எழுதினதை டோட்டல் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்யூ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.